Set up 9-night pass and everything. We see make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Greenball back again in a reaction video there with the boy
Marco D, you don't know?
Don't know the thing set, guys. I want to give you a big shout out to all of the new subscribers, all of the returning subscribers. Thank you guys for checking out the video and coming back to the channel and give support. Really appreciate it. Cause I don't have to really do it and not do it and come back. So if a big enough for that still, and show respect. I don't know the thing already. So while we have to let the mix woman like me beat Nicki Minaj, you see me? What call him? Queen of Rap or something? Nicki Minaj?
Oh, the queen.
Or Cardi B?
Nicki.
Yeah, Nicki Minaj. You know me like people talk about Cardi B just coming and thing dog. Nicki Minaj can sing all different type. If you Cardi B tell the truth, Cardi B can't really rap dog. She can sing, but she can't really rap. Nicki can sing and rap. And she write most of her own music them dog.
And she have the slang for going.
Yeah, she have a Trinidadian slang and Jamaican slang. Mine, Nicki very talented dog, but true. People can't buy us dog, so.
Shut your bitch ass!
I'm not even jumping at that thing. But anyway, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so the time we post and get notified. You see me? I'm not get Cardi B, but I talk facts. Facts, you see me? Begin right now.
I always say what I'm feeling. I was born without a zip on my mouth.
Nah, man, yo, why you me stop it? Why you me stop it?
Look on her good.
Dude, me just did I say that girl get surgery?
Oh, what a factory and take her.
My word, why you me
what
stop
a factory and get her girl, though? She falls.
Digga, I'm telling you truth, man. Why you think me stop the video? I just glimpse her face.
She too pretty, daddy. Look like a daddy.
No man, that face look too like
a daddy, false.
Man, look false, dog. Look fake, dog.
It takes a little while to figure me out.
This come like Fifth Harmony, but next group, isn't it? Let them mix
Coffee with 2 sugars in it, high heels and my jewelry dripping, drinking, I get all fired up. Hey. Insecure, but I'm working with it. Many things that I couldn't get rid of. Ain't nobody keep me. I made a few mistakes, I regret it nightly. I broke a couple hearts and I wear on my sleeve. My mama always said, "Do your troubling," and now I wonder, could you fall for a woman like me? And every time we touch, boy, you make me feel weak. I can tell you're shy and I think you're so sweet. Spending every night undercover.
Well, I'm gonna say something, dog. I don't think she white. She white. No, say the one around the side, back here one white. She mean probably she white. Cause the reason I know, I say that right now, sometimes I get the race them mixed up. Let's say like that for me, I call everybody white and it's only black girl, but everybody, most of them wasn't even white. So I want to clarify me for me, cause I don't want to get it mixed up.
Right now, tell the truth, I don't care if I'm a white, black.
No, I don't care about this on life, forget it right. You see me? Life get it right. No,
I call the one of them look down. I'm full of sex appeal.
What the black hair one that in a youth.
Full of sex appeal.
Black hair one at it.
Oh God, man.
Oh. Listen, we like females looking nice, I would like to admire females. That's why I'm sure you. Just like, you see me? The black hair one, I want them my ear. Black hair one.
We can get a takeaway and sit on the couch, or we could just go out.
You cut out?
Yeah, no, you cut me out.
Oh, like it.
I'm gonna fit your voice.
For the
evening,
hopefully end up with you kissing my mouth.
Yeah.
You got them blue jeans with a rib up in my head with your fingers in it.
Yo, cute.
Yeah, man. Yo, guess what she remind me of? Guess what she remind me of? Otia.
Otia?
Yeah. Look what I good enough.
What on there? What's she name the Republic place now?
Oh.
What's she name?
Oh.
Don't.
But I tell you.
Right now, she on the radio.
But I tell you.
Shensia. have it, dog. She favor, dog.
But,
So she got it. And she have a sex appeal,
just
dog.
like her, dog.
And she have some sex
That's why
appeal.
I look for them and say,
Look for the girl,
the way she turn up that social shit that walk and flash you and so.
Boy,
Same way.
girl, they make car crash and buckle mash.
Dog.
I tell you,
But like, you know things to the digger, cause
me watch her, man. Me admire her.
Can I say she should remind me of that big man, cause I think she like a mixer, something and that. I don't know she mix it.
Young Sarah's a ghetto with a love drunk in the middle with a get down to our favorite song.
Cause her voice sound kind of roughish, but it's still sound like she ain't bright. Rough, but it's still.
I want her skin tone and her color, her ear, oh God, man.
Yeah,
You know,
dog.
sexy body don't
I
she
made a
have?
few mistakes I regret it nightly. I broke a couple hearts and I wear on my sleeve. My mama always said, do your trouble
Look like that,
and now
yeah.
I wonder, could you fall for a woman like me? And every time we touch, boy, you make me feel weak. I can tell you're shy and I think you're so sweet. Spending every night under covers and still I wonder, could you fall for a woman like me? Woman like me, like a woman like me.
But for the real still, you could have fall for a woman like, which one you think you could have fall for? But I'm not biased.
No bias.
No
black
bias,
hero,
no, we should have
no
it.
bias. Black hero.
Alright, thank you very much.
Oh. No. Feel like say more fall first, but the thing is,
Yeah.
she catch my eye.
Catch
When
your eye
some
the
of the
more, like,
sexy and
yeah,
sex appeal,
but she
the one that
feel
catch
like she
my
have
eye.
vibes where with her work with, like, you know,
Oh,
cause
God,
we
man.
like the vibes the people have, you know, so our vibes probably with that much with it, isn't it? Come back, Nicki Minaj.
Woman like
Tonight.
me, yes, a woman like me. Soon as I brush up on them, I can tell they like me. You know all the man them, I try to swipe me. Now
All
they
girl
got
naked.
to the foot to ice me.
All girl
Tell them
naked.
that's a batch for me, bitch, in your area. But the more bad bitches, then the more merry. Baddies to my left and to the right, a little scary. Good boy, tell me, can you handle all this dairy? A million.
You see?
Rude boy.
Can you tell me if I can add this dairy, milk?
Theory.
Like cow, milk. You see?
Got me?
And I'm getting my billion. Greatest of all time, cause I'm a chameleon. I switch it up for every era. I'm really bomb. These bitches really wanna be Nicki. I'm really mom. Apple cut the check.
Hear that?
I want all this money. 7-Up, go grip the tech and leave all this bloody. It's the Queen and Little Mix. Skated on, I'm sorry. My daddy is Indian. All this curry.
All this court.
I love your curry pepper, don't me, girl.
No man, and I probably Curry food. I think I like Stephen Curry shot. I'm just gonna say Stephen Curry. I never realized that his wife was like a Jamaican. Dog.
Indian curry. You
No,
remember?
no, I talk Stephen Curry, like the basketball player. His wife is a
Stylish,
Jamaican.
slang.
Yeah, slang.
Let me catch you a such
Yeah.
I made a few mistakes, I regret it nightly. I broke a couple hearts and I wear on my sleeve. My mama always said, "You're trouble."
Girl, but now, alright.
Could you fall for a woman like me? And every time we touch, boy, you make me feel weak. I can tell you're shy.
And I say, oh, we're done with this time, man.
Girl, breast.
Don't talk about your goofy, you see me?
No, she move psycho. You move psycho. God to be she, Dolly.
Yeah?
She, I want to stay like a Dolly.
Yeah, man.
What about Dolly too?
Alright guys, that's at the end of the reaction video. That was kind of long, but
It's bad.
But it's bad and we have to stop because we see a lot of things we like to see and we have to talk about it.
A woman, office.
Yeah, and after the reaction video, we have to talk and see what we like with the music video. The video, I like the video. Like the concept because they like them a share shit. Some of them can't clean, some of them can't cook.
But if a man was still
Still there
as
with
them
them.
as a woman or
Yeah,
wife.
yeah, and wife,
Yeah,
you see me?
we still, cause
Yeah, so I don't think so we not listen.
we can learn, we don't have space to
Don't
learn.
think so we not listen.
Man,
Cause
I
listen.
say we don't all on the brain. You know when you can learn, you don't have only got space to learn. You
Yeah.
can't teach her for cook if you can't cook. But the cleaning part, you have to find a nanny to teach her.
Yeah, you don't know. Set a zimmy. You don't know
Love the
nothing
video
say.
still.
Like,
So you know, say,
no,
this
but-
is a golden bell. It's not
Yeah, it's
just
a golden bell, you see me? The video nice, still, you see me? But, for sure say, some of the girl them, none of them millennium, whatever they want to call it. I don't know why millennium still, but that's the newer generation millennium, they don't know if them enough things in the dog. So them a grow up pampered. Them a grow up pampered,
Yeah,
dog.
grow spoiled.
Them a grow
People
spoiled.
produce for them,
Them
so.
don't know for cook. Them don't know for clean. Not the woman alone, you know. That's like the man them too.
Me actually a weapon.
No, Cause what I say that sometimes I watch them on YouTube, I mean, I try to look at video and some people are saying them can't cook on it. I say, but they're like 20 years old, you can't cook. And you can't name something here. You can't baffle it. Two minutes to all them something already, we can't baffle him to say other people can't.
Yeah, and I say we know for it, but sometimes actually dog have to do one of them at once.
No, I say like have the ability to do it overall.
Yeah.
You see me?
And lazy, now going up, to me still, them lazy.
Yeah, alright.
Because you need to take it off and learn. Because watch and learn.
And especially like people who they're like first world country and them you grow kind of, to me, alright, let me tell you something.
Most got
Let me tell you something, when people don't realize, when they know a first world country, no matter how it look, from a person who comes from a third world country or a developed nation, you're still privileged, bro. You see me? We never go through, we have to go through two different something. You see me? If we get them opportunity like what we don't have, that makes so much, because we know what it feel like not for have certain stuff, and we know what it feel like for on. But when you grow up in it already, you don't feel like you have to on for anything.
Like you don't really have to accomplish nothing.
Yeah.
You already
Alright.
accomplished.
Why you think that's why when the Mexican them go America them place, why you think them work so hard and then get so much position? Because them used to hard work.
And them used to not have certain things and then
Yes.
see opportunity to
They
gain it.
feed, but then like the American themselves them too lazy because them used to just get him everything. Yeah.
Someone does not
So when
say,
somebody come from a third world country where we used to hard work, come take them job, them complain because them don't realize them privilege already, them have it already, them privilege enough to know say people that want what them have. But yet through them they died so long them don't know. That's why it's good for you to travel. When American them
See
to
the
travel
world,
and see the world and know say yo when you have it actually good, you see me?
yeah, see, kind of like you have one thing, can't get
Yeah.
it.
But yo, this come like a preach dog. But I don't say me a preach it.
No, I said,
But a knowledge we are speak because
We're not going to
we
make
probably
love
don't
video.
know. We probably don't know about the Caribbean or most developed nations. So we have to speak it to them. We can know say yo, anything we go to, just glad to one of them. You see me?
give thanks to it
Give
at all
thanks to it
times.
because we can't there somewhere work. So just give thanks to it. You see me?
And try to make proper use of
Use
it.
of
I
it.
don't really waste things. There are people out there who want
We want it.
who
There are
want
millions
this,
of people. Millions of
want.
people.
So
Millions.
what I do? I find somebody and give it.
Yeah. But anyway, peace
Right.
out. Like, share, comment.
Subscribe.
Peace out.